Today we're going to talk about filters, their indicators, and maintenance schedule. Your hour meter is located on your electrical panel. On most modern pumps, they're located in the driver's side cabinet. Some of the line pumps are in the passenger side cabinet, and other pumps even have it mounted on the water tank of the older vintage. All Alliance boom pumps have three filters. You have your suction filter, which is located at the bottom of your hydraulic tank, your boom filter, and your return filter. Each of these filters have their own indicators. Two of them have a gauge style, and the boom filter has a little poppet style. If any of your indicators are showing in the red, they are oversaturated and need to be replaced. Our filters have a service interval of 500 hours on the return and 250 hours on your suction and your boom. That is pump hours, not truck hours. The suction filter and boom filter have different locations throughout the years of our pumps, but anything on anything 2019 and newer, I would say these are the most common locations where your suction filter and your boom filter are located just inside your pump frame on the back side of the hydraulic tank. And for the most part, your return filter is always located on the passenger side top of your hydraulic tank. These indicators show red and green. The needle will move as they collect more contaminants from your hydraulic system. As long as the filters are in the green, you have nothing to worry about, but should still be replaced at the hourly interval even if they are green. Once they start approaching the red, we need to consider changing it even if you have not reached your 250 or 500 hour mark.